students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today again I am here with some another topic. So before we go further, before we start our lesson, I have some questions for you. So are you ready? Yes. Okay, now tell me, when we celebrate Independence Day, when we celebrate Independence Day, you all know the answer, right? When we celebrate Independence Day at 15th of August. 15th August, we are celebrate Independence Day. Now tell me, now dear students, do you know which events the below dates refers to? Which events the dates refers to? 26th of January. 26th January, we will celebrate it as a Republic Day, right? 14th November. 14th November, the day is known as Children's Day, right? 2nd of October. 2nd October. This day we remember as a Gandhi Jayanti. And 1st of May. This day is refers as a Gujarat Day or Maharashtra Day. So these are the some dates or some important events which we will never be forget or which we will celebrate every year on a particular date. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम 14th और 13th नवंबर को हम चिल्ड्रंस डे बनाते हैं, नहीं. We will celebrate a particular event on a particular day only. So now what I have to tell you, we all have that some importance day in our life. We all have one or more than two, right? More than two or more than that days in our life which we will never be forget or which we will celebrate in every year. For example, birthday, right? Anniversary, our first day at school, our first day at college. These are some importance or special days or events in our life which we will never be forget. So here in our first lesson, our first chapter, we will going to learn a particular event or a particular incident of a life of author. Here in our first chapter, the author describe his main event of his life, the major or important event of his life. So our first chapter, Unit 1. The title of the lesson is The Best Christmas Present in the World. The title of our unit is The Best Christmas Present in the World. Okay dear children, so as we discussed that today we will do The Best Christmas Present in the World from Honeydew Book Grade 8 NCERT. So we know that we have some days in our life which we will never be forget. So here the writer of the lesson, Michel, present his experience or describing or sharing his own experience on the Christmas evening with us through this lesson. Through this lesson, we will come to know about the major event or major incidents of Michel's life. So, shall we start? Yes. Before we go further, let me clear the characters of the story. In this story, we have Jim is a leader of English troop. Connie. Connie is the wife of Jim. And Hans Wolf. Hans Wolf is a captain of German troop. So here, now I am going to read the lesson. Please listen it very carefully. The best Christmas present in the world. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bradport, a roll-top desk. The man said it was early 19th century, and I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. This one was in a bad condition. The roll-top in several pieces. One leg clumsily mended, scorch marks all down one side. It was going for very little money. I thought I could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began work on it on Christmas evening. As I told you before that the event is happen on the night of Christmas, right? So here in this first paragraph, the creator Michel, the author or the writer of the lesson, has purchased a high-class desk from a garbage shop, which was of the mid-19th century, right? Bridport is a place. Bridport is a place. The author found a roll-top desk in a junk shop. राइटर को वो डेस्क कहाँ से मिलता है? जंक शॉप, जो कि ब्रेडपोर्ट में आया है. इट वॉज अ बैड कंडीशन. द डेस्क वॉज इन अ बैड कंडीशन, बट द राइटर बॉट इट. ही थॉट दैट he restore it, he could restore it. So that's why the writer bought that desk which is already in bad condition. The roll top is several pieces. We know that when the things get old, right, जब कुछ चीज़ पुरानी हो जाती है, so जो condition है वो उसकी बिगड़ने लगती है. So the writer bought one roll top desk which was in a bad condition, right? So the writer found the several pieces of that roll top desk. He began to work on it on a Christmas evening. So the writer started the work. जो बैड कंडीशन में था उसको थोड़ा गुड करने के लिए राइटर ने क्या किया, उस पर वर्क करना शुरू किया. और when he started that work, it was on Christmas evening. Now, as I told you that here the writer is talking about one particular thing, and that thing is one letter. What is that thing? That thing is one letter. We know that writer bought one roll top desk from a junk shop which is in Bradport, and the desk is already in a bad condition. The writer thought that he could restore it. वो उनको ठीक कर लेंगे. So उन्होंने bought किया और he started work on it on Christmas evening. उन्होंने वो desk पे work करना start किया on Christmas evening. Now, the story, here the story begins. When the writer worked on that desk, he pulled out the drawers. उन्होंने क्या किया, जो ड्रॉवर्स थे वो पुल्ड आउट किए, बाहर लाए. ही फाउंड दैट दिस हैड बीन बैडली डैमेज. वो जो ड्रॉवर थे वो बैडली क्या हो गए थे, डैमेज हो गए थे पूरा. आई रिमूव द रोल टॉप कंप्लीटली एंड पुल्ड आउट द ड्रॉवर्स. द विनर हैड लिफ्टेड ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवेयर. इट लुक्ड लाइक अ वाटर डैमेज ऑन मी. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. I tried all I could to ease it out, gently. In the end, I used brute force. I stuck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath, a secret drawer. As I told you, when the writer started work on the drawer, he found that it was very old and in such a bad condition, right? So he tried to pull it out very gently. उन्होंने वो धीरे से उसे बाहर निकालना स्टार्ट किया. When he opened that drawer, he found a shallow space. उन्होंने क्या मिला? एक स्पेस मिली, और जो कि उसके अंदर भी क्या था? एक सीक्रेट ड्रॉवर था. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box, cello-taped to the top of it was a piece of lined notepaper and written on it in shaky handwriting. Now what he found? He found one tin box, one small black tin box, and in that he found one notepaper, and in that notepaper something is written with shaky handwriting. Jim's last letter, received January 25th, 1915. To be buried with me when the time comes. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open that box. Now, as we discussed that the writer borrowed or purchased that roll top desk from some another place. So, when he received that letter, when he found that note, he felt that no, it's wrong. I can't open that box because it's not me, not mine, right? वो बॉक्स उनका था ही नहीं, तो उनको क्या लगा कि ये मुझे खोलना नहीं चाहिए. But curiosity got the better of my scruples. It usually does. उन्होंने क्या सोचा? when we found something, right? हमें भी अगर कुछ लेटर मिलता है तो एक क्यूरियोसिटी रहती है, उसमें क्या होगा, क्या लिखा होगा, let me see, let me read, right? So the curiosity वो राइटर को भी थी. So he opened that box, he opened that letter. Inside the box there was an envelope. The address read Mrs. Jim Markspan's, 12 Copper Beeches, Bradport, Dorset. So when the writer opened that box, he found one envelope. एनवेलप जो था उसके ऊपर एड्रेस लिखा हुआ था. एड्रेस कौन सा था? मिसिस जिम मैकफेरसन, 12 कॉपर बीचेस, ब्रैडपोर्ट, डोरसेट. सो ये एड्रेस जो था वो जो लेटर था उसके एनवेलप के ऊपर लिखा हुआ था. I took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in pencil and dated at the top December 26, 1947. So, when the writer opened that letter, he found that the letter is written with the pencil. पेंसिल से लिखा हुआ वो लेटर था. और which date he found? He found the date December 26, 1914. December 26, 1914. This date was written on the top of that letter. So, this is our first part. We have total 3 parts in this lesson. So, we completed first part. In the first part, we show that the writer Michel purchased one roll top desk from garbage shop, from junk shop at Bradport, right? It was totally in a bad condition, although he bought it. उन्होंने वो सोच के खरीदा कि वो he could restore it, वो उनको ठीक कर देंगे. When he started work on it, he found one small black box In that box, he found one letter which is written by Connie. And Connie is a wife of Jim. Right? So वो लेटर Connie ने लिखा हुआ था अपने husband के लिए. It's all about our first part. We will go ahead in our next video. Now, your work is to read the lesson carefully, and write down the difficult word first. You have to read the lesson carefully, only the para 1, right? First part. You have to read the first part very carefully, list it down the difficult words and find out its meaning. What you have to do? You have to list down the difficult words which you have find difficult to understand, right? जो यहाँ पे दिए है वो नहीं, which you have to find difficult to understand. जो आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहे हैं वो वर्ड्स आपको लिखने हैं, देन आपको उसके सामने उसका मीनिंग भी लिखना है. दिस इज योर वर्क फॉर टुडे. I hope you all will do it, right? Because you are a good children. So do it very carefully. Write down in your English notebook. First, write down the title of the lesson. Then write down the heading glossary or difficult words. Then you have to write the words and its meaning. So this is all for today. Thank you so much. Keep learning. Have a nice day. Thank you.